Welcome to our journey through Gooty, a historic town in the Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh, India. Nestled amongst the rugged beauty of the Eastern Ghats, this place is a survivor. We'll scale the heights of the Gooty Fort, a fortress that has stood for centuries, a sentinel against the trials of time. Get ready to navigate the labyrinthine passages of history, taste the flavors of local culture, and experience the raw, untamed beauty of Gooty. Right from the off, you can feel it here, the weight of history pressing down. The air is thick with the echoes of battles fought and lives lived. Every stone, every crevice tells a story of a time long past, yet still very much alive in the present. Gooty's story is etched into these ancient stones, a testament to the rise and fall of empires. Each crack and crevice holds a memory, a whisper of the past that has shaped the present. The fort stands as a silent witness to the grandeur and the turmoil of bygone eras. We're talking Vijayanagara, the Mughals, the Nizams of Hyderabad, all leaving their mark on this land. Their architectural styles blend seamlessly, creating a tapestry of history that is both rich and complex. Each empire brought its own unique touch, adding layers to the story of Gooty, and dominating the skyline, the Gooty Fort. This imposing structure isn't just a relic of the past, it's a symbol of the strategic importance this location held. From its high vantage point, it offers a commanding view of the surrounding landscape, a feature that was crucial for defense. This isn't just any pile of rocks, this was a strategic stronghold. Its walls have seen countless sieges and battles, standing resilient against the test of time. The fort's design reflects the military ingenuity of its builders, who understood the importance of both strength and strategy. The 16th century, that's when this bad boy was built. Imagine the craftsmanship and effort that went into constructing such a formidable structure. The fort's architecture is a testament to the skills and vision of the people who built it, ensuring it would stand the test of time. Imagine the stories these walls could tell, tales of bravery, of betrayal, of everyday life within these stone confines. Each weathered surface is a page in a history book waiting to be read by those who visit. The fort is not just a structure, it's a living, breathing chronicle of the past. From up here, you can see for miles. The panoramic view is breathtaking, offering a glimpse into the strategic advantage this fort provided. In times of conflict, this vantage point was crucial for spotting approaching enemies and planning defenses. Today, it offers a serene view of the landscape. Back in the day, this view meant survival. The ability to see far and wide was a matter of life and death. It allowed the fort's inhabitants to prepare for attacks and ensure their safety. The landscape may have changed, but the importance of this view remains a testament to the fort's strategic significance. The Marathas, the Nizams, they all knew the importance of this fort. Each ruler who controlled Gooty understood its value, not just as a military asset, but as a symbol of power and control. The fort's history is intertwined with the ambitions and struggles of these great empires. We're talking temples, watchtowers, gateways, all whispering tales of the past. These structures are more than just remnants. They are the physical manifestations of the cultural and historical legacy of the region. Each one has its own story, adding depth to the narrative of Gooty. This is where history comes alive, where the past reaches out to touch the present. Walking through these ruins, you can almost hear the echoes of ancient voices, feel the presence of those who once walked these paths. It's a place where time stands still, allowing us to connect with the rich tapestry of history that defines Gooty. This fort, it's a beast. 300 meters high, perched atop this rocky outcrop like a hawk surveying its territory. The Deccan Plateau stretches out below us, a tapestry of greens and browns, a testament to the power of nature. We're talking ancient engineering at its finest. These walls have withstood the test of time, seen it all. And believe me, getting up here is no walk in the park. The climb is steep, unforgiving, a true test of endurance, but trust me, the view from the top, it's worth every bead of sweat. You can see the entire town spread out below, the hustle and bustle of life going on, oblivious to the secrets we're uncovering up here. Every detail, every structure tells a story of survival, of adaptation, of human ingenuity. Now, Gooty sits at the edge of the Eastern Ghats, a chain of mountains that runs down the spine of India. These hills, they're unforgiving terrain, but they're also a source of life. See, the climate here, it's what we call semi-arid. That means scorching summers, and just when you think you can't take any more heat, the monsoon rains hit. It's a cycle of extremes, a constant battle for survival, but nature, it always finds a way. The hillsides are dotted with scrub forests, hardy trees that have adapted to this harsh environment. The people here, they've learned to live in harmony with this land. It's a reminder that even in the most challenging of environments, life finds a way. Don't let the rugged terrain fool you. Gooty's got a pulse as strong as any city. This is a hub of activity, a place where ancient traditions meet modern enterprise. At its heart, Gooty's a farming town. Generations have worked this land, coaxing life from the dry soil, and the fruits of their labor, they find their way to the bustling markets that spring up throughout the town. We're talking mounds of fiery red chilies, sacks overflowing with peanuts, the earthy aroma of freshly harvested pulses filling the air. But it's not just agriculture. Gooty is also known for its handicrafts. Skilled artisans create beautiful textiles, intricate wood carvings, and pottery that'll take your breath away. Now, you might think a place like Gooty, tucked away in the heartland of India, would be cut off from the world, but you'd be wrong. See, this town, it's a crossroads, a place where paths converge. The Chennai-Bangalore railway line cuts right through Gooty, connecting this ancient town with the bustling metropolises of modern India. The rumble of the train, it's a familiar sound here, a reminder that the world is always moving. And then there are the highways. National highways crisscross this region, carrying trucks laden with goods, families on pilgrimages, and adventurers like us. Gooty Junction, that's the name of the railway station. It's a place of constant motion, a microcosm of India itself. Now we've explored the fort with its towering walls and ancient stones whispering tales of the past. Each corner of the fort holds a piece of history, a fragment of the lives that once thrived within its confines. We've felt the pulse of the town, the vibrant energy of the markets where the air is thick with the aroma of spices and the sounds of lively haggling. The streets are alive with the colors and textures of daily life, a tapestry of culture and tradition. But Gooty's adventures, they don't stop there. Beyond the bustling streets and ancient walls lies a landscape waiting to be explored. Adventurous travelers can find themselves lost in the scenic beauty of Gooty's rolling hills and lush greenery. This region, it's steeped in history, with every ruin and heritage site telling a story of its own. The remnants of past civilizations stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, inviting us to uncover their secrets. Dotted with natural wonders that'll leave you breathless, Gooty is a treasure trove of scenic beauty. The hills and valleys, covered in a blanket of green, offer a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Just a stone's throw from Gooty, you'll find Pillalamari. This isn't just any tree, it's a living monument to nature's grandeur. Now, this isn't just any tree, this is a banyan tree of epic proportions, a giant amongst giants. Its sprawling branches create a canopy that stretches far and wide, offering shade and shelter to all who seek it. This is a banyan tree of epic proportions, a giant amongst giants. They say it's over 700 years old, its branches spreading out like welcoming arms. They say it's over 700 years old, its branches spreading out like welcoming arms. Standing beneath its canopy, you can almost feel the weight of centuries of history. Its branches spreading out like welcoming arms. Standing beneath its canopy, it's like entering another world. The air is cool, hushed, and the sunlight filtering through the leaves creates a magical atmosphere. It's like entering another world. The air is cool, hushed, and the sunlight filtering through the leaves creates a magical atmosphere. The tranquility here is palpable, a stark contrast to the vibrant life of the town. The air is cool, hushed, the sunlight filtering through the leaves, painting intricate patterns on the forest floor. And then there's Lepakshi, a temple complex that'll blow your mind. The sunlight filtering through the leaves, painting intricate patterns on the forest floor. And then there's Lepakshi, a temple complex that'll blow your mind. Built by the Vijayanagara Empire, this place is a masterpiece of intricate carvings, painting intricate patterns on the forest floor. And then there's Lepakshi, a temple complex that'll blow your mind. Built by the Vijayanagara Empire, this place is a masterpiece of intricate carvings, towering pillars, and vibrant frescoes, a temple complex that'll blow your mind. Built by the Vijayanagara Empire, this place is a masterpiece of intricate carvings, towering pillars, and vibrant frescoes. The craftsmanship, it's unbelievable. Built by the Vijayanagara Empire, this place is a masterpiece of intricate carvings, towering pillars and vibrant frescoes. The craftsmanship, it's unbelievable. Each stone tells a story, each carving a testament to the skill of the artisans. This place is a masterpiece of intricate carvings, towering pillars and vibrant frescoes. The craftsmanship, it's unbelievable. Each stone tells a story, each carving a testament to the skill of the artisans. As you walk through the temple complex, you can't help but be awed by the sheer scale and beauty of it all. Towering pillars and vibrant frescoes. The craftsmanship, it's unbelievable. Each stone tells a story, each carving a testament to the skill of the artisans. As you walk through the temple complex, you can't help but be awed by the sheer scale and beauty of it all. It's a journey through time, a glimpse into a world of artistic brilliance and spiritual devotion. Now, we've talked about history, we've explored the landscape, but to truly understand Gooty, you've got to experience its soul. This soul is not just in the bricks and stones of its ancient structures, but in the very air that the people breathe, in the traditions they uphold, and in the stories they tell. It's a living, breathing entity that has been nurtured over centuries, and that soul, it's expressed through its vibrant culture, its traditions passed down through generations. The people of Gooty wear their heritage with pride, showcasing it in their daily lives, their festivals, and their attire. Each dance step, each song, and each celebration is a testament to their rich cultural tapestry. The air here, it vibrates with the rhythm of life. The bustling markets, the lively streets, and the ever-present music create a symphony that is uniquely Gooty. It's a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously, where every corner has a story to tell. Temples adorned with colorful flags stand as beacons of faith. These sacred spaces are not just places of worship, but also centers of community life. They host festivals, rituals, and gatherings that bring people together, reinforcing the bonds of community and faith. Festivals, they're not just events here, they're celebrations of life itself. Each festival, whether big or small, is a vibrant display of joy, unity, and tradition. The streets come alive with colors, sounds, and scents that are a feast for the senses. Ugadi, the Hindu New Year, it's a riot of colors, music, and delicious food. Families come together to prepare traditional dishes, homes are decorated, and the air is filled with the sounds of laughter and music. It's a time of renewal and joy, marking the beginning of a new year with hope and enthusiasm. Diwali, the festival of lights, illuminates the town in a magical glow. Homes and streets are adorned with lamps and decorations, and the night sky is lit up with fireworks. It's a celebration of light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance, and good over evil. And then there's the music. Music in Gooty is not just an art form, it's a way of life. Traditional musicians play instruments that have been crafted and perfected over generations, creating melodies that resonate with the soul. Folk songs, passed down through generations, tell stories of love, loss, and heroism. These songs are the oral history of Gooty, preserving the memories and experiences of its people. They are sung with passion and reverence, keeping the spirit of the past alive. The melodies, they're haunting, the rhythms, they get under your skin. They evoke emotions that are both timeless and universal, connecting the listener to the very essence of Gooty's cultural heritage. Gooty's culture, it's a tapestry woven from different threads. Each thread represents a different aspect of its history, its people, and its traditions. Together, they create a rich and vibrant cultural fabric that is both unique and enduring. The influences of the Vijayanagara Empire, the Mughals, the Nizams, they're all present, blended together to create something unique. This fusion of cultures has given Gooty its distinctive character, making it a place where history and tradition are celebrated and preserved for future generations. So there we have it, our journey through Gooty comes to an end. We've scaled the heights of history, navigated the challenges of its terrain, and tasted the rich flavors of its culture. But more than anything, we've witnessed the indomitable spirit of this place. Gooty stands as a testament to human resilience, a beacon of tradition in a rapidly changing world.